Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sehtaj Kaur. I am doing my MD Dermatology in RNT Udaipur and my rank in NEET PG 2023 was 1304. So May INI result has just come out. First of all, congratulations to those who have got their desired rank. Your hard work has paid off. To those who have not got their desired rank, I just want to say one thing, that this exam was just a trailer and the whole movie is still left. Do not lose hope yet. You have been preparing for months and some have been preparing for more than a year now for NEET PG 2024. You still have one more chance and 23rd May will be your deciding point. So don't let your rank in this exam ruin your preparation for the main exam. Do not think that this rank reflects your NEET rank. NEET is a totally different paper. It has a different difficulty level altogether. Now we all know that INI has far less seats as compared to NEET PG. If you really have to bag a clinical seat in INI, you have to get a rank under 400 or 300 for unreserved category. No matter how hard you work, and even if you get a good rank, it might not be enough to get your dream branch or dream college. But yes, NEET gives you this flexibility. It gives you a lot of options. Now what to choose as your branch and what things to keep in mind, those are the things that we will talk after, later after your exam. For now, let's focus on what to do right now. Almost 25 days are left. You know what to do. Time for your last 20-25 days revision. You guys must have completed the course already, I am sure, before the INI exam, and now you just have to revise what is important for NEET. Again, it's time to look at all the previous year questions of the NEET PG exam and reading all the important topics like glycogen storage disorders, which have been repeated n number of times in NEET. What you have to do is you have to pick up one subject at a time and you don't have to read everything in that. It's not possible, but yes, just look at all the important topics in that subject. The topics that you tend to forget again and again, and the topics that need last minute cramming up. Now is the time that you need to just focus on your 20th notebook or the BTR notebook which you have already prepared, or first aid. You don't need to study anything new. Just make sure you remember most of the stuff that you already have read. Now after this change in pattern of the NEET exam, in which there are 5 time-bound sections A, B, C, D and E, and each section will have 40 questions to be completed in 42 minutes. The most important thing to remember in this is that once you have completed one section, you cannot go back to that section again. The choices will be locked and saved automatically and you won't be able to access that section again. Because of this, you need to change your strategy a bit. Now what I used to do during my preparation time and during my main exam, I used to mark a lot of questions as mark for review, in which I had even a little bit of doubt. I would try to complete my exam in 3 hours and then keep the last half an hour spare for revision and look at all these marked questions. Now if you guys also did the same, then you need to change the strategy, because now that is not possible. What you have to do now is that you have to give 40 to 50 seconds and not more than that on one question, so that you are able to complete your one section in around 35 to 37 minutes. The remaining 5 to 7 minutes you have to look at those questions which have been marked, or long and difficult questions that needed time. Don't try to solve a difficult or a long question for more than a minute. If you're not able to do it, just move on to the next question. Don't miss out on the easy questions because you took too much time to solve the difficult ones, which most of the people are going to get wrong anyway. Okay, so time management is going to play a very big role in your exam now. Keep practicing to solve a question quickly. For GTs also, before I would have recommended you not to give any GT at this moment. But since this pattern change, it's better to practice 1 or 2 times first. So you can give 1 or 2 GTs of this pattern, keep it at least 5 to 7 days apart, and yes, don't give any GT in the last 10 days at least. So all the best guys, keep calm and keep studying, and we'll meet again soon for more motivation. Till then, keep working hard.